Materials required: cardboard, newspaper, tissue papers, pencil, scissors, scale, adhesive, fabric colors, paper knife, brushes, texture white. Take a long strip of cardboard and draw two circular ends on both the sides using a pencil. Now cut both the ends. Using a pencil, draw the shape of eyes, nose, lips on this cardboard piece. Now apply glue on the eyes and paste piece of newspaper dipped in water on it. Similarly, paste more pieces of newspapers dipped in water to complete the nose, lips and the other shapes. Paste these shapes on the shapes drawn on the cardboard piece. Let us now take some tissue paper pieces. Place many layers of tissue paper pieces on this cardboard sheet and apply a layer of adhesive to smoothen the figure. Take some texture white and coat this figure using texture white by a brush. Leave this figure to dry. Once the figure is dry, paint this using different fabric colors like green, yellow and red. You can give this tribal mask a finishing touch using black, white and grey colors. This way, your tribal mask is ready.